Hey guys, it's me Man, and today I'm going to make a slime video. As you guys know, I love slime, and if you do, like this video and please take it to 2,000 likes. And before I start the video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any new video, and share this video. So let's get started. And in this video, I'm also going to put this glitter in it. So first I'm going to be testing this slime. It's purple polka dot slime is its name. And first of all, let's check the poking. So satisfying. Now I'm going to do it bad. Very satisfying, and I think it's really stretchy, so let's check. Really stretchy, and it's really soft and not sticky at all. And let's check the swirl, but I'm not good at swirling, so I'll do it my way. So, and now let's check the other slime, and I will be putting glitter in the pink slime because I want to put it in the pink slime, and I'm going to put it back in the box. And now let's check this slime. It is a pink jello slime. So straight. Let's check its poking. Very satisfying also. It's jello slime, so it is jiggly, I guess. It is very slippery and more soft than the purple slime. Very satisfying. And now let's check its stretching. See, it's also very stretchy. And now let's check the swirl. I'm not so good at the swirl, but I've tried a lot. It is going to fall on the carpet. So now let's check. I'm not so good at swirl. I do it my way. So this is my swirl. And it's really soft and slippery. And now let's put the glitter in it. The glitter is red. And now let's open it. And pour it inside. All of it I poured. As you can see, it's empty. Now let's mix it. Now I'm mixing it all in the slime. And now let's see. I poured all the glitter in it, and it's now like this. Red everywhere. So I'm gonna keep mixing. It has gotten a little hard, and I will be fixing it by putting lotion in it, but after the video. So now I'm gonna mix it again properly. I'm gonna make a circular ball, and then I will be like doing this. I just made a ball, so I'm gonna continue to. I think you guys can see the glitter inside. So now I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Can you guys see the picture? So it's now crunchy. So now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bells. And bye.